Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a tool that promises versatility and performance, the Chameleon 5-Barrel Interchangeable Curling Kit from Amika. If you're someone who loves to switch up their curl game or find a styling tool that adapts to your hair's needs, then you might want to stick around. This curling kit comes with 5 different titanium barrels, each designed to give you a range of curl types from fat to tight, making it perfect for those who like their curls customizable. But let's see if it lives up to the promise of versatility and convenience. The kit itself is built around a central base where the 5 titanium barrels easily clip in, and that's really the beauty of this design. The barrels range in size, so you can create everything from soft, voluminous waves to tighter, more defined curls. The titanium material is a standout feature here. It's known for providing even heat distribution, which is crucial for minimizing heat damage while delivering consistent results. What's interesting about this curling kit is how quickly it heats up, offering a range of temperatures that can cater to different hair types, especially if you've got thick or curly hair. I'll admit, when I first tried it, I was a bit skeptical about how easily the barrels would snap in and out, but the magnetic mechanism was pretty simple and intuitive. It also heats up quickly, which is always a plus when you're in a rush. Now, when it comes to real-world performance, I tested this on different curl styles. I tried it on my natural hair, which has a bit of texture, and I also used it on my straight-haired friend to see how well it could handle both. For me, the larger barrels, think the ones used for loose waves, did a great job at delivering volume without making it look too beachy, which I loved. On my friend's straight hair, it created a stunning, smooth wave that held its shape throughout the day. But if you're looking for tight, more defined curls, the smaller barrels worked like a charm. However, there are a few things to consider. The device is a bit on the heavier side compared to some other curling irons I've used, so if you're someone who tends to get fatigued from holding a styling tool for a while, that could be a downside. Also, the temperature dial can take some getting used to. It's easy to accidentally turn it while styling, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the flexibility this kit offers is unmatched. 5 barrels, and each one clicks in easily to change up your look. The titanium barrels also provide a great heat distribution, which leaves your curls looking shiny, not frizzy. The wide range of curl sizes is another big plus for those who like experimenting with different styles. On the flip side, the weight of the curling iron can be a little much if you're planning on styling for extended periods. Also, while the titanium does a great job with heat distribution, if you're not careful, you can still burn your fingers, especially around the barrel tips. Just make sure you're using the heat-resistant gloves if you're handling the tool directly after use. Now, when it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The price point on this one might seem high, but considering you're getting 5 different barrels that can deliver a range of curl sizes and styles, it might actually be a good investment, especially for people who style their hair regularly. The titanium barrels alone are worth it for the even heat distribution and reduced damage. But if you're someone who doesn't curl their hair often, there are more budget-friendly options out there that get the job done just as well for a fraction of the cost. In terms of longevity, the build quality seems solid. The titanium barrels feel durable, and the base has a nice, sturdy construction that doesn't feel like it's going to break easily. The only real concern is the cord. It's not the longest, so if you're styling in a large space, you may find yourself limited by the reach. Other than that, I can't see any major wear and tear issues coming up in the near future. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but at a lower price point, there are a few options that still provide interchangeable barrels with ceramic coatings for even heat. While you may not get the premium titanium quality, some of these still deliver decent results. A good example could be the Conair Instant Heat Curling Iron, which offers a similar barrel swapping mechanism, but for a more budget-conscious option. So what's the final verdict? The Chameleon 5-Barrel Interchangeable Curling Kit from Amika is a great option if you're someone who loves to experiment with different curl types and needs a versatile, well-built styling tool. It does come with a higher price tag, but if you're looking for quality and flexibility in your curling tool, it could very well be worth it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. Let's get a conversation going. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.